Hello viewers, good evening. This is D. India Focus and I am Sri Charan. In this edition, we will be looking and speaking about the decline in the number of cases. Also with that we shall be discussing about what black fungus is, what's white fungus, who's going to get affected more from it. Followed by it, we shall be discussing about the week's news as we do it every week, viewers. I welcome you all to this packed edition of D. India Focus, viewers. Now, before entering this edition of D. India Focus, the previous D. Opinion of the Nation has got an overwhelming response from each and every one of you. Many of you have subscribed to this news channel. I thank you all who have subscribed. And those who haven't yet subscribed to this channel, viewers, do subscribe it. Join hands and support this young team, viewers. Two clicks to support our young team. One click is for subscribe and the other click is for bell icon. 2 clicks, you can support us. You can support this young team, viewers. We need all your support to build a free media. Now, looking at D. India Focus analysis. The decline in the number of cases has been the most important point. 2 weeks ago, the positivity rate was around 26%, and now the positivity rate has decreased to 11.36%. And this has been the most important point, viewers. The positivity rate last week was around 15%, and now it has decreased. But why are these cases decreasing is the most important point. Because according to me, the lockdown has had an effect in it. Almost every state has gone under lockdown. The states lockdown have been worth Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Haryana continues the lockdown for 1 or 2 weeks. Karnataka continues the lockdown for 2 weeks, whereas Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Haryana continues the restrictions for 1 week. The Delhi's positivity rate has also decreased to 5%, viewers. This has been the most important point. Lockdown has had an effect in it. That's my opinion. Whereas other people may question that the testing rates have also come down. That may also be a reason. Few states the testing rate has come down. But other states, the testing rate has increased. When you look at Uttar Pradesh, the testing rate has been the highest. And as a whole, if you look at India, for the 5th consecutive day, there is more than 20 lakh tests being conducted in the country. And this has been the highest, viewers. The positivity rate has decreased to 11.34%, as I had mentioned. So this is a proof that the second wave has started to decrease. There is a decline in the cases in the second wave. So we have reached the peak and we have started to decrease. But how fast we decrease these COVID cases is the most important point. It's all in our hand, viewers. We have to stop going outside unnecessarily. It should not be a restriction made by the government. It should be a self-imposed restriction or a self-imposed lockdown. Only then we can fight this COVID. Your health is in your hand, viewers. Remember that. Just a week or two, we should be confined to our home. Stay home, stay safe, stay strong. That should be our aim. So that we fight this COVID, we win over it. That's our most important aim. Now, this is about the decline in the cases. When you look at the implications of COVID, there are 2 new fungus formed in humans which are also causing death. Black fungus, white fungus. Now what's this black fungus all about? Black fungus is already discussed in D. Opinion of the Nation, where I'll be giving the video in the end screen, viewers. You can click on it, you can go to that video, you can check out black fungus is explained. How this black fungus is affecting people is totally explained in that video. Now, it's a rare fungal infection. It's also called as mucormycosis. It's due to the exposure to mucor mold which is present in the environment. This was already there. This is not a new fungus, black fungus sort of. This is already there in India, but the cases were around 10 to 15 cases or max to max 20 cases in a state per year. But now the cases are increasing on daily basis. 1,000 cases per day. In India, whole India records almost 2,000 cases per day. So this has been a point of concern. Now looking at the symptoms of black fungus. Watery eyes, pain in eyes, severe headache, discoloration or blackening of tissues on nose and cheeks, and congestion in the nose. When it comes to eyes, loss or blurred vision, toothache, swelling in eyes or cheeks, bleeding from nose. Both white fungus and black fungus prey on people with low immunity. This is also said by AIIMS doctor. Along with this, people suffering from diabetes, cancer, critical illness, or patient admitted to ICU are more prone to get black fungus. At the same time, the white fungus attacks people with cancer, excess blood sugar are more prone to this white fungus. Patients of white fungus infection show symptoms similar to COVID-19. The 4 white fungus cases reported in Patna hospital showed COVID-related symptoms but did not test positive for COVID. In all cases, the lungs of the patient were found infected, the same as COVID. The symptoms can also be similar to black fungus. As the white fungus affects the lungs, the chest, it leads to cough, cold, chest pain, breathlessness. The infection may have inflammatory symptoms and cause swelling, infection, persistent headaches, and pains. While the infection can be detected by X-ray, CT scans, the patient are given antifungal medication for this treatment. So this is about black fungus and white fungus. For much more details, viewers, how is this affected, what causes this infection, you can check out the video, what is mutation, all things are explained in D.Opinion of the Nation in the video. Do check it out, I'll put it in the end screen, viewers, so that you check it out. Now coming to the week's news. Karnataka's lockdown extended for 2 more weeks. Tamil Nadu extends lockdown for a week, announces stricter curbs. Kerala extends lockdown till May 30th, withdraws triple lockdown in Thiruvananthapuram and 2 other districts. Delhi lockdown extended again. For now, the lockdown will be in place till 5 am on May 31st, and the unlock process will be slow, says Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Now, when you see all the states going for a lockdown, the lockdown will continue for a week or 2 in almost every state. After that, the lockdown has to start, the states have to start unlocking themselves. And that's the most important point. If there is a failure in unlocking, then it could cause a 3rd wave or something as such. They should think twice before they unlock, because they can't at once unlock each and everything. It should be done phase by phase. How this implementation takes place will be the most important point. And how will the states unlock, how will they bring back the old normal is a point to think of. So, black fungus scare, Maharashtra urges center to approve allocation of amphotericin B injection. Karnataka provides 1,250 crore COVID relief package, rupees 3,000 each for taxi drivers. But the opposition blames it's not enough when they compare it to other states, their neighboring states. India's first home kit for COVID test to hit stores next week. A home COVID testing kit will be available in India for the first time ever from next week onwards at a nominal price of 250 rupees. Now looking at science and tech, viewers. Greenland ice sheet loss close to tipping point due to climate change. China's Mars rover starts roaming the red planet. Handwritten example of famous Einstein equation gets $1.2 million. I wrap up this edition of D.India Focus over here, viewers. Do subscribe to this channel and do support this young team. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for watching me. Until the next week, signing off. Sri Charan. Thank you, viewers.